Next one is symbolic constant. We use our constant in many places in our Java programming. In number of places, we are using constant. For example, if I return some mathematical program, I have used this number 3.142 in many places. This 3.142 is nothing but a representing a pi value. It's a mathematical constant pi value. I use this number 3.142 in many places in my program. When I use such literal constant in my program, I am facing two types of problems. The first problem is called as problem in modification of the program, problem in understanding the program. Now, what is the meaning of problem in modification of the program? Now see, I have written this literal number 3.142 in many places, 10 or 15 or hundreds of time I use this number in my program. Now in future I want to calculate the accurate value. More accuracy I need in my program. So I want to change this 3.142 number into little bit larger fractional part, like 3.14159, like this way. The problem here is I have used this number in many places. I want to search each and every this literal value constant, and manually I have to replace it one by one. Throughout the program I have to search this number and change it to the larger accurate value. This is a one cumbersome process. This is a time consuming process. If I miss by chance, if I miss any one or two change or replace, my program produce disastrous output. That is the problem of the first year. Second problem is here understanding the program. Whenever I use this number 3.142, if the person or the programmer is having no knowledge about mathematics, then he don't know what is actually this literal constant is. He is unaware of this one. So it's very difficult for the programmer to understand. For example, if I return 50 as a number, it is very difficult for the programmer. It may be the student marks, it may be the student average, or any number, or the minimum marks of passing. It may represent anything for the programmer. So whenever you use the literal number or literal value, it is very difficult for the programmer to understand it. So what you have to do? We have to use the symbolic constant. What is the symbolic constant? An assignment of symbolic name to a constant is called symbolic constant. Instead of using some literal value or literal constant, we are giving some string name or symbolic name to that one. It is called a symbolic constant. For example, if I use a pi, a capital Pi or small pi, most of these constants are written, symbolic constants are written in capital letters to differentiate between variable and constant. So just imagine if I want to use here capital Pi, this denotes a pi value. That is nothing but 3.142. If I use the strength, okay, and in front of the strength I put some value and it denote the number of students. If I use pass marks, here there is no space, okay, here I have to write here underscore, there is no space here, pass mark, okay, that represents the passing marks of the student. It will easily understood by the programmer. Now how to create a symbolic constant? For that one I have to follow a syntax here. The syntax is final. I have to write a keyword called as final. Then I have to specify the type of this constant. then any symbolic name in a better to use in a capital letter, then any value for that constant. For example, if I want to create a strength as a constant, I have to write final int as a data type, and strength is the symbolic constant and its value is 100. Similar way, I have created passing marks as 50, and the pi value is, it's a floating type, pi value is 3.14159. Now if I need this pi value, that is 3.14159, anywhere in my program, I just place a pi, capital Pi. What the compiler will do, wherever it finds pi, it is replaced with literal constant 3.14159 for me. So if I use this pi value 100 times in my program, I just replaced at only one place where it is declared. Instead of changing in every place, I just change it only at one place when it is declared, pi value is declared. And it's easy for the programmer to understand 3.14159 is nothing but it's a pi value. So such concept is called as symbolic constants.